What's the meaning of acerbic? Acerbic. 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 The word acerbic is an adjective that means sharp, bitter, or harsh in temper, language, etc. It can be used to describe someone who is critical, sarcastic, or ironic. An acerbic person may be quick to point out the flaws in others, and their words may be hurtful or even offensive. However, an acerbic person can also be witty and insightful, and their words can sometimes be used to great effect. Here are some examples of how the word acerbic can be used in a sentence. The acerbic critic tore the new movie to shreds. The acerbic wit of the comedian had the audience in stitches. The acerbic politician's comments about the opposition party were widely condemned. When used in moderation, an acerbic personality can be a valuable asset. However, it is important to be aware of the potential for acerbic language to cause offense.